Good morning friends, welcome to our computers. In last video we discussed about home menu. So all the options we discussed in the last video. Now I am going to explain about insert menu. What is insert menu? What type of options it contains? These are all things we will discuss in this video. The insert menu contains first option is cover page, blank page, page breaks. So these are all comes under pages option. Okay. So first of all, cover page. What is cover page? Cover page will applicable the first page of our document. So it will look like very stylish. It improve the stylishness to our document. See, now we have only one page, page 1 of 1. Only we have only one page. Whenever I will click the cover page, immediately one page will be added like this. So I am clicking on the cover page. Immediately some cover page formats will be available. So select any one of it. Select any one of it and click on. See here, one cover page is displayed. See now, two pages are there. So one is for cover page, one is for previous page. Two pages are there in our document. Here document title. Just we click on the document title and we have to type eyewear computers. Document subtitle MS Office 2016. MS Office 2016 like this. Date. Here a date is there now. See here. So just I am clicking on the date. Immediately whenever I click on the date, immediately some drop down menu will display like this. Some small triangle, that is called drop down menu. Okay. So click on here. So immediately calendar will display. Whenever I click on the drop down menu, one calendar will display. So June month 2020, in the below today is there. So I want today, that means I click on the today. I want 20 or 21st, 22nd, that means so which date I want. So on that date I have to click. So I am clicking on today, just today, like this. See, the date is imported like this. Okay, this is the cover page. This is the cover page. Company name. This is the cover page. See here. Okay. This is the cover page. From second page onwards, whatever we want to type the information, we go ahead. Okay, that is contents page or abstract page, introduction page, everything. So this is the cover page. It improves the stylishness to our the document. Next, coming to blank page. See the blank page. So what will be the blank page will do? So whenever we will click on the blank page, immediately it will add one blank page to our document. Okay. So blank page will add one blank page to our document. So I am clicking on the blank page. So immediately here see page 3 of 3. Before itself page 2 pages contains. Now 3 pages contains. We are in the third page, that is page 3 of 3. So again I am clicking on the blank page. See here page 4 of 4. So before 3 pages are there, now 4 pages are there. So that is the blank page. Next, page break. See the page break. Page break. So I am clicking on the page break. It will also add one blank page to the our current page. So we are in the third page. Totally 5 pages are there. See, page 3 of 5. So totally 5 pages are there. We are in the third page. So it will add the blank page to the current page. Okay. Next, About tables I will discuss in the next video. Next, pictures. See here, picture is there. Okay, so I am clicking on the picture. So whenever I will click on the picture, some pictures will display. Okay, so select any one of it. I am going to select this jellyfish. Click on the insert button. So this type of jellyfish it will come. See, surrounding of the picture some small circles will be there. See, some small circles will be there surrounding the circles. Okay, so using the circles we can minimize the picture or maximize the picture. Just to put the cursor on the circle, any one of the circle, so immediately we can drag the picture. It will be the, it look like minimize the picture or maximize the picture. So whenever we click the outside of the picture, the circles will disappear. Whenever we click on the picture, immediately the circles will display like this. Whenever we click on the picture, the circles will display like this. So whenever we click on the picture, see here in the menu bar, so what are the menus are there? Home, file, home, insert, design, layout, references, mailing, review, view, developer and help. So there is no more another menu. So see here, whenever I will click on the picture, immediately one menu will display, that is format menu. Okay, what it contains? The format menu contains all the formats regarding to the picture. Okay, regarding this picture. So whenever we click on outside of the picture, so immediately the format menu will be disappear. See here, there is no format menu. Whenever I will click on the picture, immediately the format menu will display like this. Okay, so I am clicking on the format menu. See here, remove background, corrections, color, artistics, these are all things is there. So many options are there. So for first of all, here corrections, I am clicking on the corrections. See here, so many formats will be available. If you want, select any one of it, that will apply to our picture. Next, color, just click on the color. See, like this, it will apply to the picture. Next, artistic effects, click on the artistic effects. See here, so that effect is applied to our document. Like this. Okay, artistic effect. See here, picture styles are there here, picture styles. So click on here, so many styles will display. Select any one of it. See here. So which style we want, that style will apply to the picture. Next, picture border. Coming to here, picture border. Just click on the picture border. So in the downside, more outline colors, weight, dashes are there. Weight, that means, so like this it will display. Now picture border, I am going to apply picture border. So like this, red color, like this. Okay, next, picture effects. Picture effects also like this. There are so many effects are there. Preset, shadow, reflection, glow, soft edges, bevel, 3D rotations. Okay, whatever we want, just clicking on reflection, take any one of it, no issues. Okay, like this. Next, position is there. Position, that means where we have to place the picture in our document. Click on here, see here with the text wrapping like this. So center of the document, right side of the document, left side of the document. So like this, wherever we want, we should place a picture in our document like this. Okay. Position, center of the picture. Okay. Next, wrap test is there. Wrap test. So what it will do? Wrap test, that means click on here, so many options will be available in the wrap test. I want to type some information over the picture. On the picture itself also I have to type the information. See, hi, hello, good morning, students, like this. Okay. See here, from here onwards the text will be displayed like this. Okay. It will not display the text on the picture. So now what can I do? I want to display the text on the picture itself. In that case, just click on here, click on the format menu, click on the wrap test. See here, behind text, one option is there, behind text in the wrap test. Okay. So I am clicking on the behind text. So immediately the text will be displayed like this. Prepare well, take care of your also. Be aware of your studies, like this. So on the picture, over the picture itself, we should type using format menu in the wrap test option, in the wrap test behind the text. Okay. So one more option is there here, in front of the text. See here, in front of the text. So whenever we click on the in front of the text, so immediately what will happen? See here. So what we type on the picture itself, so the picture is displayed over the text, so in front of the text. Okay. Again I want to display my text over the picture, that means, so click on the wrap test, click on the behind text, like this. Next, format menu, crop option is there. So what is crop? What will crop do? Crop, using crop we can remove any unwanted area in the picture. So if you want to remove any unwanted area, then we should choose crop option. See here, crop option is there. Click on the crop menu. Okay. Remove any one unwanted area like this. I want to take only this one only I want to take. Okay. Now press enter, like this. So it will display like this using crop. Next, online pictures. Online picture, this is also same like that, online pictures. So import the pictures from the online. So insert pictures like this, it will come, Bing search. So many pictures it will display like this. I am clicking on the apple. It will take some time. Yes, it come like this. Okay, I'm clicking on this one, insert. See here, from online we imported one picture in our document. So using circles, I am going to minimize the picture like this. So everything will be the same using format menu. So we can apply the corrections, colors, picture styles, picture borders, picture effects, wrap text, position. These are all things we should apply. So drawing tools also available. So here two format menus are available. One is for drawing tools, one is for picture tools. So in the drawing tool also it contains so many styles. So which style you want, just click on here. Shape, fill, these are all things same. Okay, next, about shapes I will discuss in the next video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe our channel. I wear computers. Thank you.